Welcome to Cannes, where today we are visiting a property in the Palm Beach neighborhood of Cannes. Palm Beach is like a little village adjoining the center of Cannes, between the Croisette in the center and the Île de l'Errance, the islands that are just off Cannes. It's a quieter location, very family-oriented, with sandy beaches on both sides, lovely local and gourmet restaurants, shops, all within about 10 to 15 minutes walk flat along the seafront into the center of Cannes. It's a little jewel and a neighborhood that I personally love. A location where sunrise is perfect for a morning swim and a coffee on the beach. And from this apartment, that is all right on your doorstep. So this apartment is a beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property with views of the sea and a location that is just ideal. Let's go and take a look together. Come with me. The apartment has been beautifully finished. We have wooden floors and features throughout, the rounded cornices on the ceiling and walls as well, which beautifully complement the flow of the waves behind us, which we can even hear from where I am right now. So the apartment has high-end appliances throughout. We have integrated air conditioning and heating, of course, and from the living room and this lovely kitchen with its Taj Mahal tops, we look out straight over the sea and towards the Cap d'Antibes. We'll now take a look at the bedrooms, which are both on the west side of the apartment, both with access to a terrace. The main bedroom has lovely built-in cupboards with lots of storage, as well as an ensuite shower room with toilet and access, as mentioned earlier, out onto a terrace. The second bedroom has been fitted with lots of integrated cupboards on both sides, and then access out onto the shared terrace with the main bedroom. We'll then go and take a look at the bathroom, which is separate to this bedroom, but has a walk-in Italian shower and a guest toilet as well. The location of this apartment really is sublime. I absolutely love it. A few additional features that are just worth mentioning before we end, being that there is of course integrated air conditioning and heating, high-end appliances throughout, and the cherry on the cake is that there is a parking place included as well, which in this location on the beachfront is very rare. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact me. My name is Alice from Fine & Country on the French Riviera, and we hope to see you again right here very soon. À très bientôt!